Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of September in the year 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.22%. This results in an average return of 0.11% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately -7.83% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -25.89% to -0.0455%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 154.48% over the next year, with a potential return spanning from 134.52% to 253.40%. This would correspond to a price range between $272.65 and $410.86 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Nvidia. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of September 2024, the Nvidia stock price increased by approximately 0.224%, moving from $116 to $116.26. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.85%, with a low of $114.86 and a high of $116.99. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a gain of 9.2%. However, it is important to note that trading volume fell by 155 million shares, with a total of 199 million shares exchanged, amounting to around $23.15 billion. This decrease in volume amid rising prices may indicate a divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the stock's performance. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $140.76, while the lowest price was $39.23. Currently, the stock price is 17.41%, or $24.50, lower than the 52-week high of $140.76, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Nvidia continues to capture market attention with significant recent developments that could impact its stock price both in the short and long term. The company's partnership with Alibaba to develop an advanced autonomous driving solution for Chinese automakers highlights its commitment to leveraging artificial intelligence across industries. This alliance not only broadens Nvidia's reach in the automotive sector, but also reinforces its position as a leader in AI technology. Financially, Nvidia is showing robust growth, particularly in its data center and gaming segments, which have driven upward revisions in revenue forecasts for the coming years. Analysts have upgraded Nvidia's rating to a buy on corrections, citing strong demand that outpaces competitors like AMD, further solidifying investor confidence. The anticipated ramp-up in Blackwell GPU shipments is also poised to mitigate any investor concerns stemming from recent design issues, with a notable expected revenue growth trajectory. While Nvidia's share performance has fluctuated, its fundamentals suggest an upside potential, and a forward price-to-earnings ratio of around 40 times is indicative of investor optimism, with a projected target price of $161. However, the competitive landscape in the semiconductor market poses risks long-term, potentially leading to price corrections as competition intensifies. Overall, these developments reinforce a bullish outlook for Nvidia in the near term, yet cautious investors should monitor ongoing shifts within the tech sector, as broader market dynamics could influence its future trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Nvidia a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, September 19, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer also assigned Nvidia a rating of outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Nvidia as underweight with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, William Blair rated Nvidia as outperform and initiated coverage. On Wednesday, September 11, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Nvidia a conviction buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal present from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $116.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at about $115.72. A breakthrough of the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a decline below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 2.42%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 213 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $109.21 and $107.27. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since, if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $109.21. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $107.27 and $100.45. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.13 between its high and low, or 1.85%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 73 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $117.02. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $109.21. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of September, 2024, Puri Ajay conducted an insider sale of 61,705 shares of common stock. On the same day, Huang Zhenshun conducted an insider sale of 63,870 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2024, Teeter Timothy S. executed an insider purchase of 48,359 shares of common stock. On that same day, Teeter Timothy S. also conducted an insider sale of 48,359 shares of common stock. On the 18th of September, 2024, Teeter Timothy S. conducted another insider sale of 56,687 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 95.134. In total, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 1,981,452 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we expect Nvidia to open down approximately 22 cents and begin trading at $116.04. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.